Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about wealthsimple. This is a company that offers a variety of investment services, including robo-advisors, ETFs, and stocks. I've been using wealthsimple for a few years now, and I've been very happy with it. I'm going to share my experience with you and help you decide if wealthsimple is right for you. What is wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian company that offers a variety of investment services. They have two main products. Wealthsimple Invest. This is a robo-advisor that automatically invests your money for you. Wealthsimple Trade. This is a platform that allows you to buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple is a relatively new company, but they've grown very quickly. They now have over 1 million users and manage over $10 billion in assets. How does wealthsimple work? Wealthsimple is very easy to use. You simply create an account and answer a few questions about your financial goals. Wealthsimple will then build a portfolio for you based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. If you choose Wealthsimple Invest, they will automatically invest your money for you. They use a variety of ETFs and mutual funds to build your portfolio. If you choose Wealthsimple Trade, you can buy and sell individual stocks and ETFs. Wealthsimple has a team of experts who can help you choose the right investments for you. What are the benefits of using Wealthsimple? There are a number of benefits to using Wealthsimple. Here are a few of the most important. Easy to use. Wealthsimple is very easy to set up and use. Low fees. Wealthsimple has low fees compared to other investment platforms. Diversification. Wealthsimple automatically diversifies your portfolio for you. Tax-efficient investing. Wealthsimple uses tax-efficient strategies to help you minimize your tax bill. Customer support. Wealthsimple has a team of experts who are available to help you with any questions you have. What are the drawbacks of using Wealthsimple? There are also a few drawbacks to using Wealthsimple. Here are a few of the most important. Limited investment options. Wealthsimple has a limited selection of ETFs and mutual funds. No access to individual stocks. If you want to buy and sell individual stocks, you'll need to use Wealthsimple Trade. Higher fees for active traders. Wealthsimple charges higher fees for active traders than for passive investors. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Wealthsimple is a great option for investors who are looking for a simple and affordable way to invest their money. It's also a good option for investors who are new to investing and want some guidance. However, Wealthsimple may not be the best option for investors who want more control over their investments or who want access to a wider range of investment options. Here are some things to consider when deciding if Wealthsimple is right for you. Your investment goals. What are you trying to achieve with your investments? Your risk tolerance. How much risk are you willing to take? Your investment knowledge. How much do you know about investing? Your fees. How much are you willing to pay in fees? Wealthsimple is a great option for many investors. It's easy to use, affordable, and offers a variety of features. However, it's important to consider your individual needs and goals before deciding if Wealthsimple is right for you. If you're considering using Wealthsimple, I recommend reading some reviews online. You can also talk to a financial advisor to get advice on whether Wealthsimple is right for you. Once you've signed up for Wealthsimple, be sure to take the time to learn about the platform and how to use it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.